Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a problem on complexometric reaction. Here we are trying to calculate the concentration of metal ligand complex using Goldseek. The question has already provided us with the log beta values. From this we can easily calculate the beta values, which is just equal to 10 raised to the log beta value. You can simply write this down and get the other beta values. For this question, the total ligand concentration here is given, which is 0.01 molar. We don't have the concentration for free ligand. For now, let's assume it to be 0.001. You can assume it to be anything, but it has to be less than 0.01, which is the total ligand concentration. Now let's calculate for alpha m. It is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus beta 1 times L. Here L provides us the ligand concentration. I have already named this cell to make the calculation easier. Now let's continue. Plus beta 2 times L raised to the power 2 plus beta 3 times L raised to the power 3 plus beta 4 times L raised to the power 4 plus beta 5 times L raised to the power 5th plus beta 6 times L raised to the power 6. Then we close the bracket and hit enter. Now let's calculate the moles of total metal, which is equal to mass of the metal 11.9 milligram divided by molecular weight 237.7. Note that this will give us millimoles. So to calculate the mole, we have to multiply this by 10 to the power -3. Now let's calculate the concentration of the total metal. It is equal to moles divided by the volume, which is 0.1 in liters. Now to calculate the metal concentration, it is just equal to alpha m times total metal concentration. I've already named this cell to be m because this will be used later for calculation, and this will make our calculation easier. Now let's start with the calculations. For the ml, it is equal to beta 1 times m times L. ml2 will be equal to beta 2 times m times L raised to the power 2. ml3 will be equal to beta 3 times m times L raised to the power 3. This will be equal to beta 4 times m times L raised to the power 4. ml5 will be equal to beta 5 times m times L raised to the power 5th. Similarly, this will be equal to beta 6 times m times L raised to the power 6th. We know how to calculate the total concentration of the ligand. It is the total concentration of the ligand is equal to concentration of free ligand plus ml plus 2 times ml square plus 3 times ml3 plus 4 times ml4 plus 5 times ml5 plus 6 times ml6. So when we subtract total ligand concentration, we should get 0. So as you can see here, we haven't got 0 yet, so let's multiply this number by a very large number and hit enter. Then select the cell, go to data, what if analysis, GOLD-seq, and set this value to be 0 by changing the cell of the ligand concentration and hit OK. And now we get the value for the ligand concentration. We can highlight it, excuse me, and we get the value of metal concentration ml, ml2, ml3, ml4, ml5, ml6. We can also check if our value is correct or not, as we know that the total metal concentration will be equal to free metal plus this plus ml2 plus ml3 plus ml4 plus ml5 plus ml6. As you can see that the total metal concentration is similar to what we have here, so we can be sure that our calculation is correct. That's for now. Thank you.